If you're after some serious indulgence in just 15 minutes, this easy chocolate brownie recipe is sure to hit the spot.
Hi everyone! My name is Anastasia.
My name is Ichi.
My name is Fred.
We are from Baking and Pastry Art 1A.
Now, we're going to show you how to make microwave peanut butter and jam brownies as part of our English learning process. Hope you enjoy this video. Now, I'm going to tell you about the brownie. It is a soft, sweet peanut butter and chocolate brownie.
It consists of baked sweet batter combined with melted chocolate jam. It is sprinkled with sugar.
The result will be a soft and sweet brownies with melted chocolate jam. The ingredients are 50 gram peanut butter, 1 egg, 100 gram sugar, 25 gram cocoa powder, 50 gram plain flour, 75 gram butter, plus a little extra for greasing, and a few tablespoons of jam. Things that you will need are rubber spatula, pastry brush, shifter, and microwavable round dish. First thing first, the butter and peanut butter are added to a microwave-safe bowl. And the batter is cooked on high for 30 seconds.
The peanut butter mixture is removed from the microwave and the peanut butter mixture is truly stirred. The peanut butter mixture is allowed to cool slightly, then the egg is added and stirred to combine.
The peanut butter mix is dipped into the lined dish. Then, the cocoa powder and flour are sifted in and put into the sugar. The peanut butter mixture is mixed gently to form a thick and sticky paste.
The peanut butter mixture is smoothed with the back of large spoon or rubber spatula. A teaspoon is used. Crater holes are made in the top of the brownie mixture. The mixture is filled generously with jam as it will melt, and the mixture is cooked when bubble down. The peanut butter mixture is popped on the microwave for 3 to 4 minutes on high. The peanut butter is removed and the cake is left to cool for 15 minutes.
And that's how we make peanut butter brownies.
Thank you for watching! It consists of baked sweet. Lupa lagi.
Now, we are going to show you how to make peanut butter. Apa sih nama resepnya?
Peanut butter.
Now, we are going to show you how to make
Peanut butter.
Bikin apa, Ferot?
Ya,
Lupa lagi kan. The result will be a soft and sweet